Hello everyone. Is your car's warning light flashing or are you facing electrical issues? If your OBD-II scanner has shown the P0648 code, it means there's a problem with the AC clutch relay control circuit, low voltage. This could lead to AC compressor failure, engine performance issues, and even electrical malfunctions. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0648 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected component so you can fix it easily. Let's dive in. What is P0648? The P0648 code stands for AC Clutch Relay Control Circuit Low. Your car's powertrain control module, PCM, sends power to the AC clutch relay, which then engages the AC compressor. If the PCM detects low voltage in this circuit, it triggers P0648, causing the AC system to fail or work intermittently. This issue is common in vehicles with electronically controlled AC systems, and if left untreated, it could lead to major electrical failures. Common symptoms of P0648: check engine light on AC not turning on or working weakly, clicking noise from the AC relay, inconsistent cooling performance, burning smell from the fuse box due to overheated relay. If your car has any of these symptoms, let's locate the key components responsible for P0648. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0648, check these key parts. AC clutch relay location, inside the fuse box, typically found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, controls power to the AC compressor clutch. AC compressor clutch location, attached to the front of the AC compressor near the serpentine belt. Function, engages and disengages the compressor to regulate cooling. Powertrain control module, PCM, ECU. Location, mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Function, sends voltage to the AC clutch relay to engage or disengage the compressor. AC pressure switch. Location, connected to the AC refrigerant lines near the firewall or compressor. Function, monitors refrigerant pressure and prevents compressor operation if pressure is too low. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the PCM relay and AC compressor clutch. Function, ensures proper electrical signal transmission. Common causes of P0648. Faulty AC clutch relay. A damaged relay may not pass enough voltage, causing low voltage errors. Corroded or loose wiring. Poor connections between the relay, compressor, and PCM can disrupt power flow. Faulty AC compressor clutch. A worn-out clutch may draw too little power, causing low voltage in the circuit. PCM ECU malfunction. A failing PCM may send incorrect voltage signals to the relay. Low refrigerant pressure. If the pressure switch malfunctions, it can prevent proper clutch engagement. How to fix P0648. Step 1. Check for other A/C related codes. If additional error codes appear, inspect the entire cooling system. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or loose wires around the relay and compressor clutch. Step 3. Test the AC clutch relay. Use a multimeter to check for voltage output. Replace the relay if it's weak. Step 4. Test the AC clutch resistance. A faulty clutch may show low or infinite resistance when tested. Step 5. Check refrigerant pressure. Low pressure can prevent the clutch from engaging, leading to voltage issues. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and monitor if it returns. Ignoring P0648 can cause AC failure, electrical malfunctions, and increase strain on your vehicle's system. Fixing it restores proper cooling, prevents electrical issues, and keeps your car running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0552, Power Steering Pressure Sensor Circuit Low Voltage. P0553, Power Steering Pressure Sensor Circuit High Voltage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.